Hey guys, today I am in PKXD and I will be doing a house tour. So let's get started. Let's go downstairs. So there's a little trampoline here. You can jump. Then there's a guest bed, another guest bed, a unicorn picture, and another computer desk, a bear, a crayon stack, and a pet shower. Then over here is the living room. You can sit down, look at this poster. Then it's a wooden chair. And then it's a swing. And then it's a couch, some couches. And by the way, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. So there is another table and this table and a TV. Change it to the dog or the hot dog. And what we have in here is the kitchen. So here's a table, 2 chairs. You can sit down, eat. Then you can eat a hamburger, this popcorn, turn on the sink, and you can eat some cake or milk. So and also we have a little fidget spinner and a pet stand, so your pet can sleep and it can drink. So next we have my room. I have a little desk and also a beanbag chair and a race car bed and a little window and a fidget spinner carpet and a chest. Now for this room we have another bathroom, some tissues, a toilet, another sink, and a bathtub. And you can sit down. So let's check out the other rooms. So we have a little sitting area. You can literally sit. You can sit down here. And then you can look from the view above. And we also have this dinosaur. This robo dinosaur. And also another table. We have this bed and some balloons, a fireplace, and I haven't really decorated this room yet, so it's kind of just plain. So that's all we have for my house. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button and turn on post notifications so you won't miss when I post a video. Bye!